In this counting problem, we're asked to find out what the 1,000th arrangement of the letters in the word brother if they were listed in alphabetical order. So to do that, we got to start trying to determine, essentially you got to go one letter at a time. And so if we start with B as the first letter, that leaves us with 6 letters left because there's 7 total letters. There's only one repeat in the R, and so we use a letter arrangement formula. It says 6 factorial over 2 factorial for the repeat is how many arrangements there are that start with B. And so that turns out to be 360. So that wasn't too bad. We're trying to get to thousands. We know it doesn't start with B. So we go to the next letter in line, which is E. Well, it's going to be the exact same calculation, so we can just say 360. Now we're up to 320, or 720. And then we go to H. And H is the exact same calculation we just did again because we haven't taken any of the R's out. So now that's too many. Because when you add up 360 plus 360 plus 360, we get to 1,080. So we know the letter starts with H. So then we got to look at the second letter. Well, if our second letter was B, then which is the first possible letter, so we're our first possible alphabetical word. That means there's 5 letters left. Again, you're going to divide by 2 factorial for the repeat R, which turns out to be 60. 5 times 4 times 3. The 2's cancel, so it's 60. Same thing's true for the HE. That's 60. Same thing's true for the HO. That's 60. We're at now with 360, 360, 60, 60, 60. We're up to 900. And the next one would be HR, but now we've taken out one of the R's, and so our 5 factorial is divided by just 1 factorial because there are no repeats left. The 5 letters left don't have any repeats because we've used one of the R's. So that's 120. So that means we have to start with HR. So we're at 900 starting with HR, so we look at HRB, the next possible one. That leaves us with 4 letters. We've already taken an R out, so there's no repeats. So it's just 4 factorial, which is 24. And so HRE is also 24. HR, the next one's going to be O, is also 24. And HRR is also 24, no repeats left. That's 96, so that gives us to 996, so we need the 4th one after that. So we know it's going to be HRT. The 4 letters that are left are going to be B, and we want B because there are 3 letters after that which are arranged 6 ways and only need the 4th one, and they are an R, an E, and an O. So let's just write those out. EOR is the first one in order. ERO, flip the O to first. OER, ORE is the 4th one, and so the HRT BORE is the 4th one. That starts with HRTB, which gets us to 1,000, and so HRTBORE is the 1,000th word in this list of alphabetical words.